Why wait for January 1st to become a better version of ourselves when we can start building habits today? Hello chipmunks, welcome back to Hour of Health. We have got 21 days until the new year, and they say if you repeat something for 21 days, it becomes a habit. So, I'm using these days to create a healthier, happier me. Starting now. Here are my tiny habits I'll be following every single day. 1 fruit, 1 vegetable, 3 liters of water, millet in any one meal, 10 minutes of movement, eating mindfully without any screens. So, who is joining me in this 21-day habit building challenge? Let me know in comments. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow so we can do this together.